So whether you're a creator wondering about your AI influence or an engineer interested in this technical challenge, there's something here to experiment with. For creators, no, you won't immediately get paid for AI using your work, but you will have a way of understanding how it does, and you will be able to share something and maybe show the value that you bring to these companies. For engineers, yes, we know about the limitations of attention-based attribution and attribution in general. Make something better, because we could do things here that could really help, not only help creators, compensate them, but also find some of those edge cases that make the amazing stuff, because the amazing stuff doesn't come from the middle soup that generative AI will create. We don't need better copyright laws. We need a new system that turns creators from adversaries into stakeholders. Not questioning whether AI will use your work, it's whether you'll shape how this happens. We need to align incentives between a creator economy and the AI large language models and anyone using content. Not just to give them credit everywhere, that's pretty much impossible, but to use some form of attribution and recognition to do more than just sort of say, we're scraping it, it's all fair use, and thanks for creating it. Usage influence tracking. AI systems quantify how much a creator's input affects specific outputs. Higher influence might lead to higher credits, creating a relevance-based compensation, and only for the top performing ones. Revenue sharing via influence metrics. Instead of random licensing fees, large language models adopt a system where they pay high influence creators or give cumulative credit based on content impact and participation. This could be so easy. Technical tracking solutions embedding subtle, invisible markers within tokens might ensure attribution and track derivative influence without hindering the learning process. Reframing tokenized content as transformative sets the foundation for a fairer system. It doesn't say now your work doesn't exist. And that's the legal argument based on the old model that nobody can afford or wants to follow. This isn't about lawsuits. It's a tech-enabled system where content usage aligns with incentives for creators. Think of this as intellectual currency. Creators don't lose control over the content, but gain influence over its use. So you could do value-based tiers, incentive mechanics. Not all content has the same impact. A character that just breaks through requires higher credits than some niche blog post. Set value tiers. Content with high cultural or educational impact earns higher credits or rights to compensation, if that makes sense. These different categories are going to really make some economical and some more credit-based, more like building ambassadors rather than building people who resent you for creating content and you taking it. An AI-backed loyalty program. Creators earn credits or rights to discounted AI access based on their impact, non-monetary rewards for contributions that might otherwise not go recognized. Level the playing field for smaller creators. By incentivizing creator participation, we build a fairer, more sustainable system where copyright litigation, which is a losing effort, and come on, you have to have a lot of lawyers and a lot of money to even back creators. Token-based compensation tracks real impact, even just for recognition. Influence rights reward ongoing contribution, and small creators gain power through this impact through building better AI.